Yeah, we gave up. First half pa lang, we gave up too many fouls. Hindi nakalaro si KD masyado, tsaka but still we were in the game naman. I think it came down to the end naman. Medyo syempre lumalabas yung maturity ng playoff experience. Yeah. So next game, move on to the next. Ganun talaga yung playoffs. Mistake, review, adjust, then we hope for the best the next game.
First, tingin mo ba with this experience or the first game, is this going to be enough for you to pull off a win in the knockout?
I hope so. I hope so. Na mangyayaring ganun. So, do or die naman sa Saturdays.
Siyempre, I'm sure you wish na si Berto nung final meeting.
Yeah, but it happens. It can happen to them. It can happen to us. Yes, you wish, pero na-foul out siya. But still, we were able to find a way to stay in the game. Yun na importante doon.
Coach, parang kahit paano naman, one of the positives, would you agree na si Cyrus nga, may nabuha ka from Cyrus, especially?
Oo naman. Yeah, everybody naman na handa maglaro ngayon. Yung mga Ricky, Cyrus, maski yung mga konti naglaro, okay naman sila.
Tapos yung final play nyo na si Shani yung jump shot, was that drawn up? Although wala kayong timeout na I believe.
Well, no, yeah, that was drawn up in the timeout. Well, it did not pan out the way we wanted it to pan out, but we still had a good shot to win that game.